Hello everyone, today is December 3rd, 2021. It's the last month of the year and we have a lot of exciting things happening. The market for the last 2 weeks has been going down and down. Some of you took advantage of this, so don't get hung up on either the long side or the short side. Just follow the price. I'm going to show you the blueprint on the weekly chart. I'm going to show you the Atlas line. Just take a look at a couple of things and give you my ideas on what the market's going to do next. Before we begin though, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Understand there are risks involved with trading. Now, if you like these videos and you find them informative, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also go to daytradetowin.com. We have a blog. We have lots of videos, probably over 400 or 500 videos demonstrating the software and price action. Lots of free things as well at daytradetowin.com if you haven't visited that website already. Now, on a weekly chart, what I want to show you and why I'm showing you this is because for the last year, I added the blueprint software to a weekly chart, just a basic E-mini S&P 500 chart weekly. We have 100% accuracy. Now, I don't like to say that, but this is exactly the signals that occurred for the past year using a weekly chart. We have here on March 26th, we have an entry to go long, another entry to go long on May 7th, another entry to go long on June 11th, another one here October 15th, and the most recent one here that has just occurred last week was November 26th. So if you had the blueprint software, these are awesome opportunities using a larger time frame. Obviously this is more swing trading or investing, as you could say. Take a look at the crypto if you're into the crypto market using the blueprint software, but on a larger time frame. Now, what's interesting about this weekly chart is because we have now 2 consecutive candles that are heading down, and this is big news. The market may be on its way down for the next month or two, or we could have a small retracement and then it could come right back up. A method that I'm going to go over with everyone within the next couple of days. I'll even do a webinar. Just check your email if you're on the Day Trade to Win email list. Is a method that I like to use to identify next year. What's going to happen next year? Prepare a little bit. It's called the January effect. So if you're in the Day Trade to Win email list, you'll get an email for a webinar to join that upcoming webinar, so I can explain to you how that works. Now, on a weekly chart here, we have a lot of great opportunities, but some of you obviously aren't going to be trading on a weekly time frame. You may be looking at this as the bigger picture, but you may want, let's say, a 5-minute chart or a 30-minute chart. So let me switch gears here a little bit and show you the Atlas line, which is a day trading software available at Day Trade to Win. The Atlas line is really, the idea behind the Atlas line is actually interesting because when price is trading below the Atlas line, we're going to focus on short trades. So the entire day today was sell. All of these S's and these P's are designated pullback and strength trades, and they're patterns. So every time we have a strength or a pullback pattern, the P's and the S's show up and it's indicating sell. Sell the market, sell the market, sell the market. All day today, that's what you see. Some of you are looking at 30-minute charts. For those of you who emailed me, Jerry emailed me on a 30-minute chart. So let me just show Jerry a 30-minute chart. This is a 30-minute chart. Same thing, Jerry, on the Atlas line to sell the entire day. Here is the main signal to sell it right at the beginning of the day, and it just kept on going from there. So this is a great move you took. The blueprint, right? So let's say that you wanted to use the blueprint software on a 30-minute chart. You can. The blueprint can be used on day trading, volume charts, Renko charts. So if I use here, let me just get to the blueprint and add that to the chart. I'm going to keep this defaulted either 1 or 1.5. It doesn't really matter. 2 consecutive candles. There's no other configuration you have to do. And these are the signals on the blueprint. The first signal here to go short on a 30-minute chart. Great little move here down at about 11 o'clock. And we had pre-market, 7:30 in the morning, a long signal here to go up. So this is software that's created based on price action. There's no typical moving averages or MACDs or anything like that. to get in the way. It's very simple, and I think this is important as a trader, that you're not really following too much and that you know what you're doing. And if the market's too strong or too volatile, stay out. If the market's too slow, stay out. Sign up for the next mentorship class beginning on December 7th. If you have any questions, give us a call. I want to make sure that this program is right for you. Classes are every Tuesday and Thursday, early in the morning. Everything is recorded for you. Hopefully you can join in. All the software is included with mentorship with lifetime licenses, so it's the best bang for the buck. Until next time, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more.